welcome back. The Boxers Are Bust, copying Smeedia there. Trying to get his vibe. Anyway, we got an exciting day today. Lots of parts still coming in, like I was putting on my shorts. Like YouTube shorts, not pants shorts. Anyway. But yeah, lots of parts coming in, and I'm going to show you some IAG fuel lines, Grimsey windshield banner, like thing goes on your windshield, whatever, some gaskets, and then a little toolkit I got. And then some headlights, some smoked headlights from Amazon. I'm going to try them out. Hopefully the fitment is right. Cross fingers on that, because they look big. Way bigger than these guys. So, hopefully. But yeah, let's jump right into it. Like I said, we're going to do some unboxing here. I'm trying to mess with the tripod, so excuse all the vibration stuff. Alright, so windshield banner, self-explanatory. They gave me a sticker with the windshield sticker. Funny. I mean, it's cool because I can stick. I like doing the stuff on the sides. Oh. Interesting. Okay. I guess I get to have a chance to win stuff when I do hashtag Grimspeed. Interesting. Cool. But yeah, so I'll be definitely not this video. I'll probably slap this thing on there while I'm doing some cool stuff. But yeah, I'll do this some other time this weekend since it's holiday weekend, dogs. And then lots of Grimspeed stuff today. Some white pipe gaskets, manifold TGV gaskets. So I may not need these. Here, let me grab a TGV for you. There's boxes everywhere. Keeping all the boxes because I still got parts to sell and I need to put them in stuff. So these OTL, as you can see right there, as the light shines on them, these OTL TGVs have these plastic built-in gaskets. So, or O-rings, I guess you can call them. So, I mean, I got to research to see if I even need these anymore. That's cool. You can see the injector there. Need these guys because they have those in them, but we'll see. Got the BPV gasket, throttle body gasket, which is going to be really helpful, and then header gaskets. And then I got this little interior trim toolkit to put my my side 3-pod what is that called? Pillar, 3-pod pillar on there. Let me put these back real quick. Alright. Go these guys to the side here. Alright, and then we got the IAG fuel line fitting kit. I was texting my tuner today on like the power expectations of what my car would be making, and he said, I'm still texting him, but he said my engine will be okay on 400 horsepower on E85. I'm not sure if that's like E60 or E30 or whatever, or straight E85. So I'm still talking with him. So, like I said in the other YouTube shorts videos, I'm probably going to return this if I can and get the 400, I guess 400cc pump that he wants me to get. Obviously I need the new inlet, but then I would need to get the AEM E85 sensor as well. But yeah, let's get this IAG Looks like got some fuel line fittings and stuff there. A&N fittings. Lots of A&N fittings and J-turns and stuff. Actual braided fuel line, which is awesome. Love that. And then some more vacuum hoses, which I have a whole roll of this in the back too, so if I need. From past project with the FA20 WRX. But yeah, there's the unboxing for the day. Let me take you in the front of the garage. I was about to say the back, but I'm already in the back. Let me take you in the front. All this stuff real quick, and then we'll look at those. These are the headlights. I think they're like KHC brand. I'm trying to show you if I'll show you my address. And oops, I probably already did. It says Autoholic. Whatever. I don't know. I'll put a link in the description with all the stuff I'm buying. And I'll do that for everything. I haven't done that so far. So I'll do like every part I've bought. Even if I have bought them from someone else, I'll put a link in from like Rally Sport or whatever. And these are from Amazon, so definitely. I got them smoked, but that doesn't look smoked to me. So, maybe it does. I don't know. I thought they'd be darker than that. We'll find out. Yeah, I don't know. Just things right off the bat I noticed already wrong. Not wrong, but there's that box. You see that box right there? That's loose. It's just held by like some off-brand 3M tape probably. So I'm trying to bring it in the front right here and stick it down. Probably slap my own 3M tape on there. But yeah, so just looking at this, like this thing is huge compared to this guy. I don't know, maybe. But yeah, we'll find out. I'm just going to do time lapse for these guys. I'm not going to do a whole install video. I'll find an install video from like Smeedia or somebody else and link it above. Like I said, I don't like doing those install things because I don't know. Just don't like doing it. But yeah, let's get this time lapse going. Sorry guys, I forgot the time lapse that last part, but yeah, there they are. All mounted and everything. Let's turn around. Look at that, fog lights. Boom. Looks dope. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look to see if these are labeled smoke. If so, then it's very, very lightly smoked. I'm definitely getting overlays. But yeah, that C-bar makes all the difference. Let's get turn signals. Oh yeah, they have DRL. Dude, that's dope. That's the other one. That's alright, guys. That's it for this video. If you guys want 08 to 14 WRX lights, hit me up. That need some work on, but they work. Yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow me on YouTube for more videos.